Hello and welcome to this review of the NZXT H9 Elite computer case. If you're looking for a computer case that's both stylish and functional, the H9 Elite may be worth considering. This mid-tower case is designed for gamers and enthusiasts who want a sleek, modern look without sacrificing performance or flexibility. Starting with the exterior, the H9 Elite features a clean, minimalist design with a tempered glass side panel that shows off your components. The front panel has a unique pattern that provides some texture and visual interest, and there's a subtle NZXT logo at the bottom. The top of the case has a magnetic dust filter that's easy to remove for cleaning. And there's a USB-C port, 2 USB-A ports, and a headphone jack for easy access. Moving on to the interior, the H9 Elite has a spacious layout that can accommodate motherboards up to EATX size. There are several cable management channels and tie-down points that help keep your build looking neat and tidy. The case can fit up to 7 120mm fans or 6 140mm fans, and there's room for radiators up to 360mm in size. Other notable features include a removable radiator bracket, a vertical GPU mount, and a built-in RGB controller that can sync with other NZXT RGB products. The case also has a unique cam-driven power supply shroud that slides out for easy installation and removal of your power supply. In terms of performance, the H9 Elite provides good airflow with plenty of ventilation and room for fans and radiators. The case also has a noise-reducing foam layer on the inside that helps to dampen sound, making for a quieter build overall. Overall, the NZXT H9 Elite is a well-designed and versatile case that offers plenty of features for the price. It's not the cheapest case out there, but if you're willing to spend a little more for a premium look and feel, the H9 Elite is definitely worth considering. That's all for this review of the NZXT H9 Elite computer case. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other reviews for more great tech products.